Hey there everybody, Chief Weather Enthusiast Mike Kaczynski here reporting for MWAS. We're at Labo Park here in South Rockwood, and as you can see, the Huron River has clearly overtaken much of this park. And flooding will continue to be a concern as we're expecting very heavy rain overnight and on and off throughout the day tomorrow. We could even get some severe weather tomorrow, so we're going to keep an eye on that for you. I'm getting bit up by mosquitoes. This is driving me crazy. Anyways, we're going to throw it over to MWAS correspondent Danielle Swint, who is at Huron Park in Flat Rock. Danielle, what are we seeing over there?
Flooding. Flooding. Flooding.
Thanks, Danielle. This is Mike Kaczynski reporting for MWAS.